All right, so now it is time to finish making the side stand. So we have our sketch. Next step is to extrude it. So I'm just going to click over here, and you can see now one thing to pay attention to is you can see I haven't actually clicked on everything. There's a enclosed shape there I need to add to my extrude, and you can see that the positive direction is this way. So I want to, actually no, I do want it to go this way, come to think of it, because I drew on there. So I want it to be a new body, and I want the distance to be material thickness. And I'm going to click OK. So I've got a couple new bodies in here that I should probably do something with. So on the back here, I'm going to call this rename this back. I think I renamed it back in a previous tutorial, but I might have undone that at some point. And then I'm going to rename this stand right. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to cut out holes in the stand so that the finger joints can go through. Now, one mistake I made was I didn't think this through. I actually need the stand. I need the finger joint to be in the middle of the stand. So that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go use the move copy tool. I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to move it over. So right now it's set to jump at 10 millimeter increments. And I can see when it goes in the direction I want, it's going minus. So I might just type -5. I think I wanted to go further than that. So I'm going to type -6, -7. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to click OK. So now it is centered on the finger joints. So the next step is an interesting one. So what I need to do is I need to combine these shapes to cut out the holes I want. So I'm going to click on combine. So the target body, that is what I want to cut the hole out of. So that is the side stand. The tool bodies are going to be all of, I might have to, the tool bodies are going to be this shape here and the back shape. Whoop, let's try this again. There we go, and the back shape. So I can see here I've selected two tool bodies. It's automatically figured out that I want to cut a hole. And now this is really important. We have to make sure we click, keep tools. And so then when I click OK, it will, if I turn off the inner and outer frame, it will actually use the shape of the fingers to cut out exactly the size hole I need. So now that I've done that, I just need to mirror it to the other side, and I've got my two stands. So I'm going to go create mirror. Now here I can choose what I want to mirror. So I want to mirror bodies, and actually, funnily enough, this did not, or it turned back into body 4. So let's call this stand right. So now I'm going to go create mirror. That's already selected. I'm going to select my mirror plane. And because I have centered my entire model on the origin, then it's easy to select the mirror plane. And I make sure it says new body. And I have now made a new body, which I'm going to rename stand left. And there you go. You've got your two stands.